I made so many delicious meals out of this €3 waste box from Lidl. First meal is cabbage and carrot. I am starting by cutting cabbage and carrots. Rinse the cabbage under cold water and cook for about 25 minutes on medium heat. In a meantime, I am going to peel the potatoes. Potatoes pancakes are delicious and so easy to make. You just need to grate all potatoes. Place grated potatoes on sieve and wait few minutes. Remove the excess liquid, but keep the starch. Now mix potatoes, starch, 1 egg, 1 spoon of flour, salt, cabbage and carrots are cooked. I am frying half of onion using butter. Keep the heat medium, add salt and pepper. Add onion, seasonings, and spoon of vinegar. Mix it together. I'm using coconut oil for frying. Fry for a few minutes on each side. This cabbage was delicious. As you can see, it was gone before we finished frying potatoes pancakes. I'm going to eat those pancakes with homemade garlic sauce, using sour cream and pressed garlic clove. Guys, I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite recipes. From zucchini, carrots, and potatoes, I am going to make a pie. First, I need to grate all ingredients. Add 1 egg, 1 pressed garlic clove, salt, and 1 spoon of flour. Mix it all together. Spread coconut oil on baking tray. Transfer everything onto the baking tray and bake in preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. There were lots of bananas in the waste box. Let's peel them and have a look. I am going to make banana smoothie and banana bread. I am using 1 cup of oats, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of milk and cinnamon, Bake for 40 minutes in preheated oven at 180 Celsius. My next meal is cooked fine beans with some breadcrumbs. Add salt and cook for about 10 minutes. And the last meal is omelette with asparagus.